All right. What's going on, guys? This is day 2 in the high ticket affiliate marketing training series. My name is Tay Wilkins, and if this is your first time seeing this, do me a favor, check out the playlist. The link will be down below, and I want you to start at day 0 and start from there, because if you start from here, you're going to be confused. So again, if this is your first time seeing it, go back to day 0, check that out, then check out the day 1 video, and then come back to this one. Okay, so day 2, guys. This one, we're going to be focusing on prepping our affiliate links. Now, for those of you who are familiar with affiliate marketing, you know when you get an affiliate link, them things look pretty nasty. Nobody's going to remember those things looking at them as is. And a lot of platforms like social media platforms, email autoresponder services, they don't like those raw affiliate links. So what we're going to do today is we're going to clean those affiliate links up, make them look a little bit more professional and user friendly. All right, guys, so here we are back in Multiple Income Funnel. We're back in the back office. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into detail with Multiple Income Funnel. I did that in yesterday's video. Specifically for this, I just want to focus on the links and cleaning these links up, making them more professional, making them more user friendly for these different platforms. So what we want to do is take these links and clean them up a little bit. Okay, so you click on this little tab right here, and it's going to bring you to the default capture pages. The one thing that I like about Multiple Income Funnel is you can create custom tracking links. Now, at the beginning, I did use like the default links that they give you, but now I create my own tracking links because I have so many different social media accounts, my email autoresponder software, my personal blog that I promote stuff on. So I like to know where all my leads are coming from, so I know where to put most of my effort at. Okay. I'll go into the actual creating of the tracking links in a different video when we actually start creating our different accounts and promoting and stuff, so that way you can do the same thing. But for now, I just want to get you started promoting. So we're just going to take the default, okay, and we're going to clean up the default link and then go from there. All right, so with these different capture pages, the ones that I typically like to use are capture page 1 and capture page 3. These ones work the best. Okay. Now again, like I said, I have custom tracking links, so these here are just what I was using in the beginning. But capture page 1 and capture page 3 are the ones that I use. For those of you who like to create posts or engage and do things on Facebook, then you may want to use the Facebook lead capture pages. Now, me personally, I don't use Facebook like that, other than to communicate with the group and look at the morning live trainings. But for those of you who are more comfortable with posting on Facebook, you may want to go ahead and use the Facebook capture page. Okay. But for this example, we're just going to go ahead and take capture page 3, and we're going to click on it. All right, and it's going to bring us to the actual capture page, and we're going to take the link up here and we're going to copy it, and we're just going to save it for later. All right, then we want to come to the site Namecheap. Okay, Namecheap is a domain name provider, and basically how this works is you purchase a domain name. The domains are not expensive at all. It's like literally $8 for the whole entire year. Okay, you purchase a domain name, and what we're going to do is we're going to forward the domain name that we purchased to the Multiple Income Funnel landing page. The hardest thing about setting up a domain name is actually coming up with a name, because trust me, a lot of names that you're thinking of is probably already used. Okay, so first thing that you want to do here is what I like to do is try to take something from the product itself. So we know from the landing page, it says 4 income streams using 1 autopilot system, and then we have 4 steps for that inside the back office. So let's come up with something using what we know from both of those pages. So let's say 4-step autopilot income. Let's see if that's available. 4-step autopilot income. All right, check it out. So we'll hit search, see if it's available, and typically you want a .com because people have been using .com for so long. That's what, like, if they were to type in your domain name, they're going to hit .com. So if you can find a .com, go for it. And as we can see, we got 4-step autopilot income.com for $7 basically. And that's for the entire year, not a month. Like I said, for the whole entire year. Okay, so this is dirt cheap. All right. So what we'll do, I'm not going to actually purchase this because I already have 2 domain names, and I'll show you that in a minute. I'm just showing you the process. Okay. So plus I don't want to take anything away from you guys. I want to give you guys a chance to actually get domain names. So I put it in the cart. You can see right here, plus tax is $7.16. We go to checkout. All right. You want to have domain privacy on. You don't really need anything else. All right. And a year is fine. You see the subtotal $7.16, like I just mentioned a second ago. And that's it. All you got to do is just hit confirm order. Okay. So that's it. Once you purchase it, this is the screen that you're going to see. Okay. And like I said, I already have mine. Here's one of them. And here's the other one. Okay. So as you can see, these are simple. They're memorable. You know, nothing crazy like that. And you'll see this once you purchase it. And what you want to do is you want to hit manage. Okay. Now, when you first come on this page, you're only going to see this one up here. Okay. By default, when a person clicks on it, it's going to be HTTP, and then it'll be the easy 4-step or whatever your domain name is .com. Okay. For the most part, that'll work. But certain platforms like TikTok, for whatever reason, their web browser will have issues just using that. So what you want to do is you want to come right here where it says add redirect and click that. Okay. And you want to add the www before whatever your domain name is, just like I did here. Okay. And then this is what you want to use. This is what I use everywhere for this domain. I use the www instead of using the default because I know it works. Okay. But you want to make sure that you add that. All right. And then what you want to do is on this side over here, this is where you want to put the capture page. Remember when I told you to copy this? All right. You want to go ahead and paste that in this little spot right here. Okay, for both this spot right here and this spot right here. Of course, they're not because I don't need it. Okay. And then you want to go ahead and save the changes. Okay. Same thing with this one. Save the changes. All right. For some reason, this is moving slow right now, but usually it moves a lot faster. And then once you do that, now your domain name will when somebody clicks on it, it'll forward that person to your landing page for Multiple Income Funnel. So I'll show you that right now. So we'll go ahead and copy it, and I'll go ahead and open an incognito window, and we'll paste and go. And you see it's right up here, right? www, and as you can see, it forwards them to the lead capture page. Okay, and it's simple. Now, this is the paid way to do it. This is the best way to do it. Okay, but if you are tight in the pockets, okay, I have another solution for you. This is a free solution, but it's not as clean and professional, I'll say, as using Namecheap or using a domain. So you want to come to bit.ly. I'm sorry. Whew. It's late. It's like 1 in the morning for me here, but you come to bit.ly. You create a Bitly account. All right. Once you create a Bitly account, it's going to bring you to this dashboard right here. And what you want to do is you want to hit create. Okay. And it's going to say here, enter your long URL. So we'll go back and we'll take that landing page URL and we'll copy it. Come back over to Bitly. And we'll go ahead and paste it. And then you can leave this blank right here where it says source. Medium, you can leave that blank. Campaign, you can leave that blank. We don't need any of that. You hit create. All right. Now I already used this one for a different example, but typically right here, it'll have random letters and numbers just like with any other link. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take that and you want to delete it, okay, and put something memorable. Just like I said earlier with the Namecheap name, you want to make it simple, memorable, and something related. So let's say 4-step paydays. Click on it and the link has been created. So now we have bit.ly/4-step paydays. And just like with Namecheap, when a person clicks on that link, that Bitly link, it will forward them to the multiple income funnel landing page. Okay. Bitly links works on multiple social media platforms. It works on web blogs, email autoresponders. It works everywhere. Okay, so again, if you are tight in the pockets and you can't afford to get a domain name, then use Bitly. It's another way for you to clean up those affiliate links. Okay, so that's it for this one, guys. I just wanted to show you how to clean up the links and get them prepared for us to promote them. All right. So that's all I want for you. That's all I want you to do today is to take your affiliate link and clean it up. Either get a Namecheap domain or do with Bitly. I'll leave a link down in the description for both websites so that you can sign up and get your links cleaned up. That'll be in the description down below. So do that. And in tomorrow's video, we're going to actually start setting up our account so we can start promoting. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. My email will also be down there, support@taylorwilkins.com, if you want to ask me questions there. I'll be more, like I said, I'll answer any questions that you have. I'll help you out the best way I can, so I can actually help you make money as quickly as possible. All right, so that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I'm done. It's late. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.